What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new day. I'm headed out. I'm leaving the house this morning. Sort of gotten up, been up for a little while, and now I'm going on a bit of an adventure. That's why I didn't want to make plans, because I didn't want it to fall through, but I am going on a bit of an adventure. So come along, I'm gonna go hang out. It's gonna be an awesome day. Look at it. Up there, if that wants to focus on me. Nice blue sky. It has been raining, but it's beautiful today. Into adventure time. I've been here before. You guys have seen this place. That's where I came swimming that day. I've come back, just chill out and have a swim. Just take some time out today. Ditching that spot back there, I've started climbing up. I'm gonna try and make it to the top of this thing where I came with Ben and Jaden that day. It's really nice up there, and it's a lot better than that little sort of water hole down there. What you just saw was some sort of yabbies. I don't know whether I put that in or not, because they are kind of hard to see. We're on our way up anyway. Successfully made it to the top. It is so beautiful up here. I think I'm sort of gonna go for a bit of a dip. There's a little like pool, there's a nice waterfall. Just hang out here for a while. It's gonna be really nice. On our way down, that's the beautiful waterfall that we've just been hanging out at. Alright, we've got about half an hour to an hour's climb down this mountain now. What? Quads look good?
Don't film this.
Quad goals? We're nearly at the bottom. Camera's about to die, so If it cuts out, that's why. We're gonna go grab a drink and possibly a bite to eat at Palm Cove on our way back home. We made it back to civilization. Quick stop at Palm Cove. This day's perfect. So I popped into my work and we grabbed something to eat that I probably wasn't meant to sort of be eating. It's alright. I'm just going to avoid that sort of stuff from now on. Especially in the lead up to States anyway. It was, I don't know, clear really wanted it. I had a bit. I'm home, that's for sure. Guys, I seriously just passed out. I probably slept for about an hour or so. And it's now 10 to 5. But this next door neighbour is getting really on my nerve with it working at the moment. Anyway, okay, look at that. It's nearly 5 o'clock. I have a radio interview at 5 o'clock via the phone on a company or a radio station in New South Wales. So I really need to wake myself up before that. You guys are gonna get angry at me. I was meant to film like the interview, not like nothing to film because it's radio, but I was just gonna record it, like have it on speakerphone, have me talking, and I was trying to make myself a banana ice cream, and it just happened so quickly. My phone rang, and next minute I have to go say goodbye. Next minute I was on the interview on the radio, and then it ended. So I apologise, but I think Mum may have recorded it, so I'm gonna try and see if I can steal that off her. Just saying goodbye to Zeke's girlfriend. She's heading overseas, so she won't be here for a little while. I'm off to work. Look at this, new pants. They're super duper comfy. I'm actually really glad I got the bit more expensive ones. So let's go to work. 5 and 5. Completely forgot about that. I was meant to do that this morning when I got up. Anyway, we'll do that when we come home tonight. Alright, catch you later. Oh, it's windy. See ya. Alrighty guys. Work time for me. Mum's leaving me. Oh, I wear an apron and I completely just forgot that. Anyway, hopefully they got something for me. I'll catch you as soon as I'm finished. I'm home from work. It's super late. I just haven't picked up the camera tonight at all. I've been tired and I'm just sort of watching a movie at the moment, and I just wanted to chill out at night. I've sort of been thinking long and hard through work and sitting here watching the movie. I'm gonna give the 5 and 5 a rest tonight. I don't know. I don't think it's a bad thing. But I gotta make sure I get back into it tomorrow and be really strict with it when school goes back, which is only a couple of days away. Anyway, I'll catch you tomorrow. Don't forget, if you want to go big,